Hello, welcome to this course, and it's so good to have you here. So, cycle of fourths on the key of C. We'll start by playing this. So, it's very important to note that the root note is 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. But if you notice, I did a passing chord which gives us something like this: 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So let me play it again, then I'll break it down. So we have left hand side we have A flat, C, D, and G. Then on my right hand side I do a lot of slows. So we have, this is G on the top, then I have a slow here which is D to E. So this is D, E flat, and E. So melody line. Here I did, this is D and F, then this is C and E. So over the 6, left hand side, this is G, B, C, and E. That's on my left. Then on my right hand side, I have the same slow, which is, this is D on the top. Then I did a grace note from A, B flat, and B. So we have this. If you play it fast, you have this. But let's take it slow. Then next chord, you can see the way I played it, right? This comes first. So left hand side, this is a tritone by the way. Left hand side, this is G and C sharp. Then right hand side we have F major triad, F, A, and C. So left hand side we have F sharp and C. Then on my right hand side I have E, A flat, and B. You can also use this as a passing chord on your 2. That's an expo here. The next chord, over the 5, I actually played this F, B flat, and D. So left hand side I have F, A, B flat, and D. Then right hand side, this slows you're going to see it a lot. It's going to be common in this course. So this is C on top, then slow from G sharp to A. G sharp or A flat, nonetheless it's the same. So next chord over the 1. Left hand side, this is E, B flat, and D. Then right hand side I did a passing chord first, which is G flat, B, and E flat. Then so this is G with a slow from D, E flat to the E. Then I wrapped it up with, so this is E flat, D, and C. Then to the 4, left hand side, this is F, C. Then with my thumb I'm playing G and A together, like so. Right hand side, I have this is E and C, then with a grace note, from G, A flat to A. So you can actually add this arpeggio to it, which is more like a bonus. Left hand side, this is C and D. Right hand side, this is E, G, and A. So you repeat and play the same thing in succession. So we have this.